Practice makes the home spacious with magical shelves. I have seen to gas and water heaters that are named brands, but the pipelines below are really unsightly. Finally, I found this shelving unit that can cover and store items without drilling holes. Some hooks can be installed on top, which not only covers the ugly pipelines but also holds pot covers, chopsticks, and more spoons and spatulas. The ninth item is a must-have for small bathrooms at home. It is a freestanding shelving unit that can be installed without drilling holes. It has 4 trays to hold all the toiletries and bottles, and it has a bottom drain hole to prevent water accumulation. The 8th item is a rotating knife rack that can hold all kinds of utensils, forks, spoons, and chopsticks, making it easy to organize your kitchen. The 7th item is a small rack for placing dishcloths, sponges, and scrubbers, and it can be hung on the wall to keep your countertop clean and tidy. The 6th item is a versatile rack for holding pots and pans, and it can also be used to hold soup pots, small milk pots, and even clay pots. The 5th item is a freestanding coat and hat rack that can prevent clothes from piling up on the windowsill and sofa. It has a cactus-shaped design with wheels, making it easy to move around. The 4th item is a small and useful tool that can be used to hold the pot lid and utensils while cooking. The 3rd item is a showerhead shelf that can be easily installed, and it has 2 hidden hooks for hanging towels and other items. The 2nd item is a corner shelving unit that can hold all the commonly used kitchen utensils and ingredients, and even the waste sink. The 1st item is a gas stove support that can prevent the pots from slipping and sliding, and it can be used for 4, 5, or 6 burner stoves. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.